Story time.
The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, 3 little pigs lived with their mother in a cozy cottage. 3 little pigs spent a quiet afternoon at home. It was a calm and peaceful day. Their mother came into the room with a warm smile. She had something important to tell her little pigs. The little pigs were growing up. It was time for each of them to build a home of their own. With cheerful hearts and packed bags, the 3 little pigs set off on a new journey. The first little pig had a playful plan. He wanted to finish quickly, so he could spend the rest of the day having fun. The first pig built a straw house quickly. Now he could play all day. The second pig chose sticks, stronger than straw, but still quick to build. He built his stick house, happy with his balance of work and play. He tied each stick with care, building a simple, sturdy little home. The third pig studied his plan. He was determined to build a strong brick house. He worked slowly and carefully, knowing a strong brick house was worth the time. Brick by brick he built a strong, safe house, ready for anything that might come. But deep in the forest, a hungry wolf crept through the shadows. The wolf marched through the woods, looking for something to eat. He saw the straw house and smirked. He knew a little pig was inside. The wolf stomped up and pounded on the door, demanding to be let inside. Inside, the little pig trembled with fear. He knew the wolf was just outside. The wolf growled at the window, but the little pig stood his ground, afraid, yet brave. The wolf took a deep breath, ready to blow the house down with all his might. The wolf huffed and puffed, his breath shook the straw walls. With a mighty blow, the straw house flew apart, and the little pig ran for his life. The first pig ran to his brother's stick house, crying and out of breath. The wolf followed and banged on the stick house, demanding to be let in. The pigs huddled together, shaking their heads with fright. They would not let the wolf inside. The wolf huffed and puffed again, aiming his breath at the stick house. The wind howled, sticks flew everywhere. The wolf was blowing the house apart. The stick house collapsed. The 2 pigs ran as fast as they could, straight to their brother's brick house. The pigs huddled inside the sturdy brick house, hearts pounding, hoping the wolf wouldn't break in. The wolf stomped up to the brick house and banged on the door with a snarl. The 3 pigs clung to each other, nervous but brave inside the strong brick house. The wolf blew with all his might, but the brick house didn't budge. He huffed and puffed again, but the brick house stood strong and still. Inside, the 3 pigs waited, anxious, but safe within the solid walls. The wolf growled in frustration. The brick house would not fall. Determined to get in, the wolf climbed onto the roof, his eyes set on the chimney. The wolf crept across the roof, while the pigs watched in fear below. Inside, the pigs quickly prepared the fireplace, a bubbling pot ready beneath the chimney. The wolf peeked into the chimney, ready to make his final move. With a splash and a yelp, the wolf landed in the bubbling cauldron. The wolf ran off, tail on fire, never to return again. The wolf disappeared into the forest, howling and smoking. Inside the cozy brick house, the three little pigs cheered. The three little pigs worked together, building strong new brick homes side by side. Their homes would stand strong, no matter what came. The three pigs sat happily outside their brick house. The forest was calm, the flowers bloomed, and they felt safe at last.
Taking time to do things right is better than rushing and facing trouble later. That was a nice story. Till next time. Thank you. Bye.